Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and make a quick video about a traffic exchange slash Safelist mailer called Herculist Plus. Work smarter, advertise to thousands daily and free. Actually, it's 92,152, right? That's how many members are currently serving, that are currently being served, right? So anyway, but before I get started, I wanted to give you a warning that if you do sign up, you have to use a separate email account, not your primary email account, not your business email account, a separate email account because a throwaway email account, quote unquote, throwaway. And I'll show you why. Let's just jump over to my email. This is one of my email accounts. It's my traffic sources email account. And I signed up with Herculist and a couple other traffic exchanges. As you can see, I got over 293,552 emails. I say over because I got some in my promotion in bin. I got some on the side here in my other folders. So they really blow you up. But don't get discouraged because this is incentivized traffic, meaning that they broadcast these emails to people on the list and people are incentivized to click and read this email. So the incentive comes in at right here. You get 35 credits. And you can use these credits within the Herculist advertising platform to purchase ads, space, to broadcast emails, to have your page displayed in various places within the system. And I'll show you. I just want to show you that this is it's what they call incentivized clicks because you get credits for clicking on these links. And I know it gets kind of scary, right? Because what happens if a solo ad vendor was doing something similar, and giving you clicks, but you're really not getting leads. But that's a whole different story. But I just use Herculist as a way to get my offer to everybody. To up to 92,000 people, and I just play the numbers game, and I can broadcast one email to them daily. So that's why I love it. But as a free member, you only can send it out to 1,000 a day. But even if it's free, even if you use it as a free member, you could still get your offer to 1,000 people. I mean, it's actually it's a $50 lifetime. You can pay $50 once, and you're in for life. And you'll never have to buy anything, and you can always broadcast to every single member. So anyway, that out of the way, that disclaimer about creating a separate account, separate email account. So you can get a $5 sign-up bonus. Like I said before, Herculist is been around for 20 years. It's 100% safe opt-in list. They broadcast to 92,152 people. It's 100% real traffic. Like I said, it's incentivized traffic, but it's real traffic. They have powerful advertising tools on the inside. You can earn 50% commission on all your referrals. But like I said, it's a free membership, so you can get in and free and submit 1,000 a day for free. And you can build up credits, like I showed you in that email, that you can use for advertising. So you never really have to spend anything. So that $5 will just be sitting in your account till you cash out, right? You can establish a network of like-minded individuals because we're all here trying to promote our business. And here are just some other incentives. It's mobile friendly. There's increased more traffic, improved design, more control over the ads. Now they have Prime and in the zone, and I'll show you a little bit of those as I'm logging in. So now I just log in here. Hopefully my computer is not slowing down. So basically when you log in, here's an ad that hits you right here, right? So this is like an ad that you can place, but it'll cost you. It's not for free members, but it'll cost you that you can put your ad right here. It's Prime Real Estate. So I log in here, hit the little I'm not a robot and log in. Next is the iBlast, right? And this is AI textbot AI. Get paid over and over again, $100. And I'll leave the link in the description box below for this if you're interested. But you can make money $100 over and over again for one-time payment of $100. And basically what it is a automated text system where you can call into the number, speak to Ava, she'll direct you, and then she'll qualify you and make the sale to you directly. And you can get paid $100 direct to any form that you want to get paid in, Cash App, Zelle, whatever. But anyway, I'll leave a link in the description box below for that. This is not that video. This is about Herculist, right? So that's that. And let's just go to, and you can get, so there's Prime advertising, there's the Zone advertising, and then you can catch solo ads. So they advertise in various ways. And I'll show you on the inside. So I'm going to the members area, and as I'm logging in here, I get hit with an ad here, and it's a featured Prime ad below. So if you want your ad here, that'll cost you. It's 30% off today. So, but I don't do all of that. Here's a contest results where people actually win money for completing various tasks. So that's a contest. And here's your back office. Now, if you notice your back office, you have ads here, login ads. You can apply for that and get that. You can buy those. You have little side blurbs, right? All of these are ads. You have ads down the middle here. And if you see that, they're incentivized here. So if I click on this ad and read it, and I'll do that right now, check it out. It takes me over to the ad, and I have to view it for 5 seconds, and I get 35 points for viewing it for those 5 seconds, right? And I can sit here and spin on all of these next site, and build up my credit reserves, and then use those credits to place my own ads, right? So let's go back to where we were. So that's what that ad here. And if you look down here, it says what status you are. Here's your referral link. It gives you tools. Tools include banners and other such things. It gives you 30% off sale of those primary ads we showed you. They have different offers down here. Gold member, you pay this $49 one time. You have it for life. So you never have to pay monthly or annual. And you can broadcast to 92,152 people every day. If you're free, it's only 1,000 people a day. If you're gold, it's 92,000 people every day. So, I mean, it's $50. It's an investment into your business. It's up to you. Or you can just do the free. What I would highly recommend, though, if you do sign up and you are a free member, I would definitely come to the zone here and click on the zone. Okay? And what I recommend, after it shows you this, it shows me an ad that I'm going to get points on or whatever, I want to go to settings and stats, right? And this is my back office of the zone, and it's part of the setup. But I highly recommend that you use a rotator here. Now, I'll put a free rotator link in the description box below. But with a rotator here, you can put links. You can use your rotator here and have it associated with 5 other URLs, right? So that as you're building up points, and as soon as you reach enough points, your links are going to start appearing like the one that showed up before we got here, okay? So as I'm going through just making this video, I'm earning views, and my webpage is being displayed as other people are logging in or viewing the zone. So this would be one of the primary things I set up first, especially if you're a free member, because you're going to be earning credits and you want to get points so that you can automatically display some of your offers. So that's what definitely I would do here. I would definitely use a rotator. And as you can see, it tracks the links already. But if you use a rotator here, you can rotate through 5 different offers, and you can optimize this traffic exchange a lot better. So let's go back to here. So that's the in the zone, okay? And it just has some other things. We have your information here, my email address, and various other things. Yeah, you could turn it off and on, whether you're on vacation or not. They have other Safelist that you can email directly from your own emailer. But I kind of just leave all of that alone, and I just use it strictly for the broadcasting of 92,152 people. That's a huge number, and I love it. So I'll just keep emailing it. Let me see. Where do I want to show you before I get to the mailer? I want to show you the credit that I have. Let's see. Is it home settings? Let's try settings. I want to show you that when I signed up, I did get that $5 sign up bonus. Went straight into my Herculist account. Maybe it was under this. No, but I'm pretty sure it was under settings, account settings. Okay, so while this is spinning, part of the setup, what I also would highly recommend is that you go to Bitly and you create a Bitly account, which is free. Okay, you see free account. And whatever links that you're going to display using this Herculist, like right here, I got Traffic Dominator, I got Page Swirl, that's a rotator. I got these other links here, easy one up. But whatever links you use, I would definitely make sure you go to Bitly and get some kind of tracking so you can track your links, okay? Because you want to know once you send this stuff out, you want to know how many clicks you're actually getting. And I mean, and you need to do that for anything. But this is the account settings. Let's see. It says my status. Yeah, I thought I had my wallet, but I don't know. Let me go back to home. I thought there was a place where I could see the wallet, and and every time you go between screens, you're getting hit with different ads. Let's go here real quick. Affiliate tools. Affiliate tools. That's where you go, and it just shows you your different URLs that you can advertise for Herculist. And it shows you you can qualify for 50% commissions on anything. They give you banners and different logos. They show you who's in your downline, and they show you that, I got $5 I'm owed. Why? Because that was my sign-up bonus. Okay, so it does pay you. I just wanted to show you that. I don't really advertise Herculist, but, you never know. So, like I said, I'll put my link in the description box below for a $5 for you or whatever. Anyway, let's go back to where we wanted to go was to the mailer. I get sidetracked. So once again, as soon as we're trying to go there, it puts another ad. I want to continue to the mailer. Okay, so now we're at the mailer. And right now there are 92,000 plus people. The last time I mailed was yesterday. I'm allowed once a day to mail all 92,000 people. So what I do is I come over here and my subject line. I already have an email that I want to send. Now, before I do that, you can always resubmit a previous day's ad by clicking this button. So if I click this, it'll show me the ads that I sent yesterday and the day before. Of course, after it throws more ads. So you see how this is working here. So I have these different ads I submitted the other day. I can also resubmit them by hitting this, but I just wanted to show you that you can reuse ads that you've already sent. I normally do a rotation where one day I send one, then I send the next day, then I send the other one, then I start back and send the first one and whatever. But I got a new opportunity that I want to hurry up and get out. So, and it's time sensitive, So I'm just going to create a whole new email and broadcast it to all 92,152 people. So you come down here and my subject line, let me go to my email. Here's my subject line, how to create profitable ads. I want to go here and I just copied and paste. And basically I already have my links like right here. See, this is time sensitive. It's October 14th, see? So I already got my links here under where I need to put it. I have my name. I also have, if you don't catch it, I got a phone number here. And I just don't give out my phone number. The number that is here is TextBot AI. So they can call this number back and they're going to get my personal assistant who's going to try to sell them on making $100 commissions. So I put my number down here, not my personal number. Like I said, this is my TextBot AI, my automated virtual assistance number. Hit to handle all my calls. And then I got a PS, and I have another link down here at the bottom. So anyway, I copy the body of this. Oh, so first I want to put it on HTML and go back to my notes. I want to copy the body on all of this here. Control C, Control V. Now I got my email in there. Let me open this up a little bit. I just go through, and then I want to make sure that, see, here's my bit.ly link so I can track the number of clicks I get. Control C. And I just want to go here and make sure that's highlighted so I can put a link there, and I'll drop that bit.ly link there. I'll hit target, hit new window, and hit OK. Now that link is there. I can go here and I can delete that. Right. But first I wanted, and I also wanted to drop it there. Sorry. All right. So then that link is embedded, but now I want to make sure my PS where it says this is made to sell. I also want to put a link there. Why not? You know, I'm going to drop, that's a whole $7 business, which you can buy one time for $7 and make $6 commissions over and over again. So since this is going out to so many people, I'm just going to make sure that I give them plenty of opportunities to get on my personal list, you know, when they get to clicking around. So I have, you know, if they decide to, hey, what's this number? Let me call this joker. That's my text bot AI. Or if they say, PS, this is made to sell, what's that? That's my $7 business, which is a low entry point of only $7. Here is a invitation to a free training that is pretty slick too. By joining a Facebook group, you can start earning commissions, which there'll be a link in the description box below for that. But anyway, so now my email is all set up. I have my subject line. I have the main link. I have another link here in the body, and then I have a PS link along with a sneaky little phone number in there. So that's what I do, and I'm going to broadcast this. Let me get rid of this here. I'm going to broadcast this to 92,152 people. So everything's all set, and all I do is go down here and I click submit. So that's spinning and it's thinking about it. Okay, so now if you look here, there's an ad that pops up. They always hit you with them, right? But here it says ad successfully submitted to 92,152 people, which is awesome, right? And since I got my bit.ly all set up, I have, that's my one link, my main link. I have it set up to track the clicks here. Okay. Just refresh. So that's going to track my clicks. Oh, actually, I already got 5 clicks, right? I mean, this is live. So I got 5 clicks, and look, 5 of them came from Herculist already. So people are clicking through it, right? So then the other link I had was, what was it? My $7 business, was it? Let's see, this one right here. I already got 9 clicks, and somebody clicked on it here, right? No, nobody clicked it from Herculist yet because it tracks that, right? So anyway, that's how I do my Herculist. I mean, I'm sure there's other ways. I got 10. See, now I got 10. I refreshed, and let's see. It don't say Herculist, but somebody clicked the link somewhere. But anyway, I'm getting clicks. That's the whole point of this little video, to show you that you can broadcast your offer for free to thousands of people on these traffic exchange and receive real clicks. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. And you can get real clicks, and it's free. Just another free way to advertise. But anyway, all the links that I've talked about for all the options we have here, all the links will be in the description box below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for hanging out. I'm out.